Okay, America is fucked up. Alright, you can't go to a marathon without being blown up. An 8-year-old kid died, a 50-year-old died, another person died, and over 100 people were wounded. Fucked up. Can't go to a school without being shot. Okay, children from age 6 to 7 died because people are just doing random kills. And then can't walk on a sidewalk without being shot. Some drunk driver in Los Angeles, he got shot by his drunk driver and died. And you can't go to a movie without being shot. He was planning it on his phone for months, and then he just went off to kill people, and now he's getting the death penalty. USA is fucked up these days, because this doesn't happen in other countries, just in the United States. Fucked up. So if you're someone that's going to do that, you better fucking stop. It's not okay. It's not cool. It's not cool to kill random people, especially children. 7, 8, 6, 8, 9, whatever. Little children dying. I have 2 younger sisters. That happened to me, I'll fuck you up. Alright? Bye, guys.